Hello everyone, this is John Jenkins, also known as Battlegans, and I would like to bring you another video from my channel. So, this video is a Python video, and we're going to be talking about decorators. So, when I first heard about decorators, I was taking the Pyrian data course on, it was a Python bootcamp, and he was talking about decorators, and I was like, man, so basically you can add affectations to your functions. You can add functionality to your functions to make them perform in different ways depending on the situation. And I was like, man, that's amazing. So what did I do? I immediately started with decorators, and the first thing I did when I started with decorators is I tried to switch decorators on the fly. I would put one decorator on a function, then I would switch it up and put another decorator on a function, and it didn't work. I got an error message every time. Um, so uh, so basically, I just didn't know how to do it correctly. So basically, decorators are worthless unless you have a way of uh, switching decorators on the fly, because there's no point. I mean, there's no point in adding functionality to a function. There's no point in adding functionality to a function if you cannot change what you're adding. If you have to add the same thing every time, then there's no point. You might as well just add that part into the original function if you're not going to be able to change them on the fly. So I did some studying, and I figured out there's a couple of ways that you can change decorators on the fly, and this is the first way. So you see right here I have two wrapper, these are the two decorators, wrap 1 and wrap 2, and within each decorator there's a function. Within each decorator there's a function. So there's inner function. The inner function is named the same in both decorators because that makes things simple, and they're not in the same scope, so it's not gonna break the program. So we got two decorators right here, wrap 1 and wrap 2, and they print the hero has lost, the hero has won. And then it calls the function that was passed in. So what you do is, I'm getting ahead of myself. So here is the function, the original function that's gonna use both decorators. So this one here and this one here, this one here and this one here are the decorators. This is the original function, and I'm going to get this function to use both of these decorators. So the way you do that is you call the function, and then you put the original function in as a parameter. Or I'm sorry, this would be a argument. So you put the original function as an argument inside of the wrapper or the decorator function, and then you add in the argument for the original function. You add that in right here, right? And what you have is you now have 1 bonus points right here, and that matches that, and it says the hero has won. And on this one, for the attribute for the original function, I have 36, and so it says you have 36 bonus points. The hero has lost. So that's just one way. There's at least one other way to switch decorators on the fly. I'm going to need some more practice with that before I can do that one. But that is just a little preview of what you can do with Python 3. And yeah, so I hope that you have been enjoying this. And I'm off to the next video. So thanks. Leave a comment and whatever you want to say. And I'll be sure to get back to you. And yeah, so goodbye.